Hi, I'm Kevin Southwell. I'm the maintenance engineer here at Neoperl. The maintenance team is made up of myself and my apprentice Yestin. It's our responsibility to maintain all machinery here at Neoperl UK. This can be anything from fixing moulding machines to general maintenance on the test rig equipment and anything in between, as well as having routine scheduled maintenance. We produce millions of parts each week here at Neoperl UK, and with a routine maintenance schedule we're able to minimise machine breakdowns. Yestin has joined us recently and is proving to be a valuable asset already, always keen to learn and get his hands dirty. Maintenance might be a small team here at Neoperl UK, but it's integral as a support function within the business.